Introducing CAMPNXT, a 2-day online retreat for African innovators taking place from April 7th to April 8th. Attend over 20 different sessions ranging from upskilling sessions, empower hours, inspiration sessions, exhibit tours, and lots more with different speakers and professionals. Learn new tricks of the trade in sessions like, is it possible to build profitable and sustainable careers in today's creative economy in Nigeria? Or how to cash in on your talents with sessions like monetizing your passion for cooking, or free your mind with CAMPNXT's mindfulness support room sessions and exhibit tours. All that's left for you to do is to sign up for free. You can enjoy CAMPNXT with any of your devices by visiting www.AfricaNXT.com and click register. You can also attend the Expo Happy Hour to be part of meet and greets with artists and brand ambassadors, or you can stop by the CAMPNXT virtual photo booth. Register to attend this virtual retreat for African innovators by visiting www.AfricaNXT.com. Oh, and by the way, CAMPNXT is totally free. CAMPNXT, ready to build what's next.